Good morning students, welcome to e-learning classes. This is your life skill period. We are doing lesson number 1, that is the broken pot. In this chapter we have done some exercises and explanation of this story. Now today in this video we will do match the following and tick the correct option. So students, go through the video and watch it carefully. Lesson number 1, the broken pot. In this chapter we have done question answer, then we have done fill in the blanks, true false, and today in this video we will do some more exercise, that is multiple choice question or MCQ. First of all, mention the date on which you are doing this work, then write the heading with black pen, whole statement with blue pen, and blank, and there are 3 options. These options you have to, for writing these 3 options you have to use black pen. Multiple choice questions. First one is, the water bearer had dash large pots. There are 3 options, A1, B2, C3. The correct option is 2. The water bearer had 2 large pots. Fill the blanks with black pen. The water bearer had 2 large pots. Then leave one line. Then second one is, one of the pot had a dash in it. A hole, B crack, C pit. Correct answer is crack. Put a tick mark here also and here also. One of the pot had a crack in it. Write crack here also. Then leave one line. Then third one is, the perfect pot was dash of itself. A proud, B ashamed, C pleased. Correct answer is, the perfect pot was proud of itself. Put a tick mark here and write proud here also. Then leave one line. Now fourth one is, for the past 2 years the cracked pot was delivering dash of its load. A full, B half, C 1.5. Correct answer is half. Put a tick mark here and write half here. Now fifth one is, the cracked pot noticed of the sun warming beautiful wild dash on the side of the path. A trees, B shrubs, C flowers. Correct answer is flowers. So put a tick mark here and write flowers here. I am repeating it. The water bearer had 2 large pots. Second one is, one of the pot had a crack in it. Third, the perfect pot was proud of itself. Fourth, for the past 2 years the cracked pot was delivering half of its load. And last one is, the cracked pot noticed of the sun warming beautiful wild flowers on the side of the path. After this we have to do match the following. Match the following, you have to use black pen for writing this heading. Then column A and column B you have to use black pen for writing it. And in column A, whatever is sentence is written here, you have to use black pen for writing it. And on the right hand side you have to write the correct answer using blue pen. First one is, the cracked pot, it will match with ashamed of its flaw. You have to write correct answer in front of each. The cracked pot will match with ashamed of its flaw. Second, the perfect pot smirking at the cracked pot. Third, the beautiful wild flowers grew on the side of the path. Fourth, the water bearer pick flowers to decorate his daughter's room. Fifth, low self-esteem or negative thinker. It will match with negative thinker. Sixth is the way you feel and treat yourself. This is known as self-esteem. What you have to do? You have to write it like this. You have to write the correct answer in front of each. First one is the crackpot. It will match with ashamed of its flaw. You have to write it in front of it. Second is the perfect pot. Smirking at the crackpot. You have to write it in front of second. Third is the beautiful wildflowers. It grew on the side of the path. Write it in front of it. Now fourth is the water bearer pick flowers. It will match with to decorate his daughter's room. You have to write it in front of it. Now fifth is low esteem, self-esteem or negative thinker. You have to write it in front of fifth one. And sixth one is the way you feel and treat yourself. It will match with self-esteem. So students, you have to write it like this in a very neat and tidy way and do the work in your fair copy. After that, you have to learn all these exercises. In our next video or in our next period, life skill period, we will continue with next chapter. Thank you.